The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas has ordered the removal of online gambling links from e-wallet apps, a move expected to hit players who rely on the easy access of these digital platforms. More in this report.
32 million adult Filipinos are online gamblers. This is according to data from the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation or PAGCOR as of July 15, 2025. Many of them will be affected by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas' order to remove online gambling links from electronic or e-wallet services. Like Jobay, a single mom who admits that online gambling is her pastime. She finds it convenient to access through her e-wallet app.
Mas gusto ko po yun na ganun pa rin na huwag tanggalin sa GCash yung madali po kasi parang pag cash in mo kaagad, nandun na kaagad sa account.
Rico, not his real name, a jeepney driver, admits using the money he earns from his daily boundary to gamble online.
Nakakalimutan ko po yung mga problema ko, siyempre.
Oo, tapos?
Wala na. Pag wala nang cash in, doon ko na naalala uli. Kung nabaon talaga, nasira lang talaga yung hanap buhay ko. Nawala na yung pamilya mo dahil lang sa scatter. Mas mabuti mawala na yung habang buhay. Marami talagang nasisira talaga dyan. Marami pang masisira.
While access to online gambling is now being tightened for ordinary Filipinos, it has long been prohibited for all officials of the Department of the Interior and local government and local governments. According to a memorandum order from the agency, any participation in or access to online gambling is banned. This order covers not just DILG officials, but also all elected provincial, city, municipal, and barangay officials. Officials of the PNP, BFP, BJMP, NAPOLCOM, as well as the National Youth Commission, Philippine Commission on Women, National Commission on Muslim Filipinos, and the Philippine Public Safety College. Contractual employees, however, are not covered. Those caught violating the order will face administrative or criminal charges. Despite this, the DILG admits the directive is not easy to enforce.
It is virtually impossible to police them. Dapat may self-limiting ang mga heads of office na yung mga sites na yan ay hindi na pwede pumasok sa Wi-Fi system ng building.